We live, your boy Shane, aka Crypto Dragon, aka Mega Man, aka Art Boy. You already know what it is. Today I'm just gonna talk about the power of NFTs real quick. I just want to show y'all the power of digital art and what this wave and trend is becoming right now. It's a monster. So right here you have my first digital art museum that I created. I got 2 shows right here. We'll do a quick walkthrough on that, and then I want to show you a walkthrough on staking some NFTs to earn you some coin. You see, I got these 4 NFTs right here. They're earning me something called Punk up top. So I'm gonna show you what all that stuff does. Okay. So first things first, we're gonna do a walkthrough on some of these digital shows, so I can show you what this is all about and how dope this is becoming and the transformation of NFTs, right? It's way more powerful than what I'm saying now. I'm also going to show you my Discord channel so y'all can understand what that community is like. I showed a little bit of it a while back in a couple videos, but we're going to go a little bit more in depth on what's going on. First things first, though, let's do a walkthrough on XX Interesting, which is my show from my Ethereum NFTs. I wish I had a lot more to put in here, but I mess more with other layer 1 projects, not just Ethereum. Those gas fees were driving me bizarre and crazy and bananas, so I went to other networks. But either way, this is my NFT platform right here, right? So this is what it's looking like for me. You know, I got some NFTs over here. I got some on the wall over here. It's just a small little haul of NFTs, man. You know, you could do all types of things, man. You can go over here. You could look at these things. This is phenomenal. Look at that. You can even press E for details, and it brings you right into the project. Look at that. Shows you the owner, shows you the Phantom collection, even shows you history, who've had it, whatnot. I actually received this NFT as a free airdrop for logging my wallet into these people's website, and they dropped me this airdrop for showing some love and some support. You know what I'm saying? So it's pretty dope. It's all types of things. As you already know, this is my horse, Silver Shadow, that I race in Zed Run. You know, I showed her on some of my media platforms. She's pretty badass. You know, you could bring her into actual digital life. Most of these you can actually bring into life with augmented reality. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty dope. Over here, I got some Bleep Punks, which I'm going to talk more about these guys. You already know my famous dude right here that I use all the time as my profile picture. He's pretty dope. And then this frog over here is my creation. I made this frog right here. This is mine right here that I made. It's called Musty Frog. I've made him on the Ethereum platform. I also placed him on the Solana platform as well. If you buy him, you will receive coin as airdrops. I will be giving free coins as airdrops for this guy. I can't tell you how much. I can't tell you what it is. It's a surprise for the holder. So whoever wants to grab it up and get some secret surprises and rewards, feel free to jump up on even here or on OpenSea or SoulSea, and you can find these bad boys, right? I usually share the links on all my media platforms for you to go and look into them. It'll tell you a lot about what's going on. You see Minter is Mega Man, which is me. Owner is Mega Man. I still own it now. I haven't sold it yet. Then you also got this cloud over here. This cloud is being staked right now, gaining me massive amount of gems for Ethless platform. Ethless platform is a gaming platform where they play a whole bunch of mini games, Tetris, stuff like that, and you can use the gems that I'm earning from it to do amazing things with it and basically get all types of rewards and prizes. See, they airdrop you this to hold as they collect gem tokens from around the Ethless metaverse and deposit them into the owner's pocket. It's pretty dope stuff we got here. You know what I'm saying? Pretty dope stuff. I ain't got no complaints. I'm loving this. I will be jumping into the Centuryland pretty soon, and then I'm also thinking about jumping into the Sandbox metaverse as well and showing y'all some metaverse play. So we will be doing that pretty soon. That is a free Zed Run, I believe. I got this free for, I think, owning a Zed Run horse, which is pretty badass. I got a lot of cool stuff here, but this is just my Ethereum joint. You know what I'm saying? We'll be showing other ones as well. Here we go, as we jump back into my other one, which is I call Hidden Gems. This is my Solana studio, basically. So we're gonna enter up into here. We could do a little preview real quick. It ain't fully done yet, but it is out there. I say it's not done because I'm gonna constantly be adding a lot more Solana NFTs. I love Solana. I love the network fees are low. The projects are pretty dope, but there are a lot of rugs in the Solana platform. So you gotta be very careful when it comes to buying Solana NFTs. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty badass though. As you see, I got her right here. See, that's that musty frog I was telling y'all about. I also got my easel over here. Well, technically it's one of my daughter's drawing, and I modified it and turned it digital and brought it onto my Solana platform and selling it as musty easel. This thing gives you special magical airdrops as well. It could be NFTs, could be anything. So that's something you might want to look into as well. See, I got some of these guys over here. Some of these guys over here. You know, it's giving y'all a quick little walkthrough. You know, that's my second musty easel over there. It's a bigger copy. I got some of these folks over here. Boom, boom. You see, same concept. You know, you can click on them, look into them, same old thing. You know, pretty dope stuff. But that's just some digital worlds right there, man. But what I want to show you as well is the Bleak Punk verse, the Punkiverse, man. I bought these punks, and I knew there was gonna be a little bit of utility to them. So what the utility is so far is you stake them in their platform, and then they earn you something called punk up here. Right, this is before taxes, because they have these things called political punks, and political punks tax your punk and they get double the punk. So if you buy a political punk, you get more punk. And now what does the punk do? The punk does many things. It's going to allow you to buy merch, so you're going to get like free clothing, free shirts, stuff like that. Also, it allows you to get whitelisted into other NFT projects, which they just announced that, I think, 2 days ago. So I'm going to show you what that is in a second. What whitelisting is and all that good stuff. But that's pretty dope. That's just a little bit of utility. That's just from owning the punks. So that's pretty badass. But we're gonna go down here. We're gonna show y'all We're gonna show y'all the Discord down here. Oop, wrong thing. My bad. You got that right there, and you got my Discord right here. So this is Discord. This is basically where all the projects first get announced at. So this is where you're gonna find all your. Well, technically, it starts off on Twitter, and then Twitter announces their Discord, and this is where you interact with the devs, the developers. Man, you come here and you interact with the devs, and the devs basically tell you everything. See, one of my favorite projects I'm gonna show you right now is my Dragon Watch Heroes. I love these guys. They're phenomenal. They're legit. They are not a rug, man. This is a project. If you want to buy an NFT, this is where I'm going to tell you to start. You start with Dragon Watch Heroes. It's 0.5 Sol, which literally right now is about $50. $50, you're able to grab a character that's going to be playable in their play-to-earn game. Last episode, I talked to you about pay-to-earn. These guys are doing a play-to-earn. So you buy the characters, and then you're able to use the characters in the game to gain you coins and gain you actual cryptocurrencies that's going to allow you to actually have money from playing in the game. So these are the devs that Pale's talking to you about. They got Mint, they got NFT Wizard, and they also have Burn, but I think Burn might have went off into doing something else. I think she's one of the big time artists, I'm pretty sure. But you can do a lot of things, man. You can navigate through here. They have the welcome. They got rules, how to mint their project. It tells you exactly how to mint. Special announcements that they announce, and they'll tell you about upcoming things that are coming for the project, good stuff like that. See what I'm saying? And it's just they have all these moderators that come by hand. They add little games and fun stuff for you to do. You know what I'm saying? Like if you scroll down, they have their Twitter attached to it as well, as you see right here. Show your heroes. So if you acquire a hero, you can come on here and show them off and get some insight on what's going on. And they got all the little games here that you could play. Royal Rumble, Guess My Number. And then those allow you to gain Dragon Watch Hero coins, which allow you to do special things like become a moderator or become a golden god or some stuff like that. Basically, you buy golden tickets and special items that you could use within the Discord to do really cool things. You know what I'm saying? So NFTs is more than just a little piece of art. It's actually building communities. Straight building communities, man. Like, it's huge. It's on a whole nother level that I don't even think anybody's really even thinking about, man. Like, it's actually bananas. Like, Like, these are literally communities. I'm talking, if just to scroll up and go with Dragon Watch Hero, I think they have like 300 to 400 people on, but there's projects that literally have 500,000 people on. You see, they have 90 dragons, which is special community members. Then they have 306 just online members, right? Now you can go to other communities that have massive amounts, bro. Let me see if I can find one that has a really big one that I'm involved in. I think Shizuku might be pretty big, and then they got about 8,000 or so. Yeah. See, they grew. They got 14,000 online members, total 48,000 total members in their project. Now they're launching. This is another thing. It tells you the time that it's launching. They're launching today. Today for 0.12 Ethereum. 12 ETH is what they're launching for. So you could buy one of their NFTs. Now, they'll tell you about what the project is, what it's doing, what it's worth, what it's capable of, all that good stuff, how to whitelist, all that good stuff. Then, like I said, same thing, same concept. It's all straight across the board. This is called Discord. You can download the app on your phone. You can get it on your laptop or on your desktop, whichever you want to do. But it's highly useful if you want to get into the NFT world or even into crypto, man. There's crypto which communities in here that strictly talk about crypto and how to gain crypto. You got NFT Teacher, which is amazing. This guy, I've been watching before he even created this over on YouTube, and he was trying to create a university, a school to teach crypto. And he's awesome, man. When you buy one of his NFTs, it gives you access into his university, which talks to you all about cryptocurrencies and augmented reality and NFTs and metaverses and everything. Like, he gives you the 101 on how to do all that stuff. Kind of similar to me, but on a way bigger scale, a way bigger level. Like, this guy's my idol. This is the guy I'm looking into, man. Maybe one day I'll be his competition. You know, that's the whole point. I know he's going to blow up. He's going to skyrocket. He's doing wonderful things, man. I was going to buy one of his backpacks, but it didn't work out too well. They sold out pretty quick. Same with his jackets. He created a wearable digital jacket, so you could put your camera and it'll show your augmented reality jacket that you have that gives you access. Same with his backpack. Adidas is launching shoes that are wearable, that you could put your camera on and it'll show you digital shoes on your feet. It's bananas, man. The stuff they're doing is bananas. Like, if you go look at my Facebook or my Instagram, you'll see my horse walking around my yard and stuff, doing dope stuff, eating grass and shit. Like, dude, this thing is bananas. Digital art is exploding into a whole nother realm of life, and Facebook is grabbing up a massive amount of it to create a centralized metaverse. All these I'm telling you about are decentralized metaverses. Anybody can go in there. You got to basically buy in to do something real. You're buying in land. You're buying in everything. You're building everything. It's pretty dope. So that's just the power of NFTs. I want to show you all a little bit about that. You know, the power of NFTs. Definitely keep your eyes open for that. And if you want to get into that, if you find any form of interest in anything I'm talking about, feel free to comment. Feel free to hit me up on any of my media platforms. Facebook, you know, you got Shane Harris. Instagram is 22second Crypto Dragon. Then you got TikTok. You know, you got a Discord, which is MegaMan22. Number is 9161. If you want to get into my Discord or want to hit me up on Discord, feel free to hit me up. If y'all know me personally, feel free to text me or call me, whatever. I'm here to help everybody, man. I'm trying to wake people up to get these opportunities. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to. You do what you want to do. But I'm trying to build opportunities. I don't want people sitting here like, damn, 10 years from now, I could have got in there. I could have made a lot of money off that. Well, here's your opportunity, man. Here's your gateway. I'm trying to be the gateway into this. I got you. Just let me know. If you need help, you need anything, let me know. But I love y'all. Please subscribe, support, you know, share, like, follow, all that good stuff. And hit me up, man. I love y'all. Thank you. A lot more to come. We got health coming up this week as well. We're dropping the health this week and next week and so on and so forth. A lot more coming. All right, y'all. We out. About life.